In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore GitHub, and we'll cover everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. So whether you're new to GitHub or just want to become more familiar with its features, stick around as we dive in. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for GitHub. You'll find it easily at the top of your search results. Click the link to open the site. If you haven't signed up yet, now's the time to create your account. GitHub is free to use for personal projects, so go ahead and sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once you've landed on your GitHub homepage, look for the Explore section, which is usually found on the top menu bar. This is where the real magic begins. The Explore section is a treasure trove of popular repositories, trending topics, and carefully curated collections based on a wide array of interests and technologies. It's your gateway to discovering what's hot in the coding community and finding inspiration for your next project. As you scroll through, take some time to explore different categories and topics. GitHub allows you to filter these projects by programming language, the number of stars they've received, or their recent activity. This makes it significantly easier to find projects that align with your interests and skill set. Whether you're into Python, JavaScript, or something more niche, there's something for everyone. When you stumble upon a project that piques your interest, don't hesitate to star that repository or topic. Starring is like bookmarking. It saves the repository to your stars page, where you can easily find it later for further exploration or collaboration. Moving forward, interacting with repositories is a critical part of using GitHub effectively. You can clone a repository to your local machine, which is perfect for experimenting and contributing your changes before they are merged. Alternatively, you can fork the repository, creating your own copy to play around with independently. Once you're ready and feel confident about your changes, you can create a pull request to suggest your improvements to the original project. If you're ready to kickstart your own project, it's time to create a new repository. You can initialize the repository with a README file and a license, which are best practices for making your project accessible and compliant. Finally, when you're working on a project, make use of branches to effectively manage different lines of development. Branching allows you to work on new features or fix bugs without affecting the main codebase. Once everything is polished, you can merge these branches back into the main codebase. These steps provide a comprehensive overview of exploring and starting with GitHub. I hope this guide helps you become more comfortable and adventurous in navigating the platform. Thanks for watching, and keep those creative coding juices flowing.